Required material: palette, brush, pencil, watercolors, masking tape. You can easily find it in any local stationery, watercolor sheet, and Bristol fine liner pens. So I have took this Bristol cold pressed watercolor sheet and I have cut it according to the dimensions of my book. Now take the masking tape and stick it on the borders of the sheet. I am taking these two colors for the background. One is Crimson Lake and the other is Permanent Orange. I like this combination very much. They give nice vibrant look. You can use any two colors of your choice. I'm also using white color. And now pour water into the color and mix it properly. The water should be more than the color. Mix the color properly in the water. The color should not be thick or consistent. It should be watery. And I'm also adding a pinch of white into Crimson Lake. I'm using this flat brush to paint the background. I suggest you to always use a flat brush whenever you are painting the watercolor background. And dip the brush in plain water and just apply plain water on the sheet as a first layer. Whenever you are drawing watercolor background, I suggest you to first apply plain water on the sheet. Do not make it too wet, just apply as I am showing. Since we are applying two colors as background, take the first color and start applying it from top to bottom. The color should be dark on the top and it should gradually decrease into light color at the bottom. So what you have to do is, do not again dip the color to paint the bottom. Just touch the water and merge it. As you can see, the color is dark at the top and light at the bottom. Now take another color and start painting it from bottom. The color should be dark at the bottom and it should gradually decrease at the top. So we have to merge both the colors in between. So just dip the brush into water and merge both the colors in between. So if you are a beginner, it's better to practice this merging process before you start making a bookmark. Now leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's completely dry. Please do not touch the sheet for at least 20 minutes after you paint it. And now we are going to peel the masking tape. This is my favorite part in the entire process. Remove the masking tape carefully. And yeah, this is how it looks like once after we are done with the painting. Now it's time to draw. Since we are doing it on a watercolor background, I don't want to take any risk. So first I'm drawing it with pencil and then I'll be inking on it. So I have took 0.1 mm fine liner pen to draw the outlines. Since I have already used two colors as background, I don't want to give much details to the flowers. I just want them to look nice and simple. So I am drawing these lines. You guys can add more details if you want to.
So that's it for today guys. Hope you all liked the video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.